Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make fried baozi. It's very simple and easy to prepare. So this is the one of my friend asking me if doesn't have steam pot, how they make if they want to eat baozi, steam, bun and momo, these things. So you can make in fry pan also. It's very simple and easy. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna make the yeast water. For this we need warm water, and here I'm using half teaspoon dry yeast. By the way, you can just follow the baozi style, which is I already made it. The same way, only just design is different. So once you're done the knead the dough, now this time we need to rest the dough. So I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour. Keep in warm place. Okay, so next I'm gonna make the inside the filling. It's very simple ingredient here I'm using. Take a meat keema, and here I'm using some cabbage. You can add more vegetable if you like. Onion and some garlic. Now let's add the seasoning. So seasoning here I add half teaspoon of black pepper and some salt, soy sauce and cooking wine. Or add 1 egg. Now it's time to mix very nicely. Also, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add the corn flour and you have to mix very nicely. Once you mix it, it's done. Now I'm gonna rest for 10 minutes. It will need to marinate for 10 minutes. Can you see my dough increase the size? Now we have to knead the dough for a few minutes. Now we have to make the long chapati. This time I'm gonna make very simple way. Once the skin is ready, now it's time to add filling. Add the filling and just how I did, just follow the video. This is a very simple way. You don't need to do, just fill up and just pinch up both of sides. Now you have to press very nicely. Make sure filling will not come outside, so you have to pinch properly. Some to end, you have to apply some water so it will you can stick together very nicely. Add some dry flour so you can easily fold this. Make sure and take a knife and you just cut. We don't need to cut deeply, we're just cutting only upside the skin. Make sure to not cut all. You can follow how I do. For the design, you can just take the chopstick and just press lightly. See, that's it. It's very simple. Now take one plate and just apply the oil. And just you have to put in plate. Now you have to carefully you have to do this, otherwise meat will all come outside. Now it's done. Set aside this. Now we're gonna add some oil to fry pan and we apply it to all of fry pan. Once it's done, and again we have to put it in fry pan. By the way, you can directly put it in fry pan also. Add some black sesame seed. So this is not necessary. I add just because of it will keep nice look. Once it's done and cover, and I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to cook. Add 1 cup of warm water. Once it's done, now cover and cook in medium flame. Make sure it will not burn, so you have to stay in kitchen. It's already dry. Now still little half, so I'm gonna reduce the heat. I'm gonna cook in low flame for more 3 minutes because we need to cook in meat also. Okay, so if you want to know it's cooked or not, how to check this, just touch your hand. If not stick in your hand, so it's cooked. So it's already cooked. Now it's ready to enjoy. Now it's ready to enjoy. So let me show you how its bottom side. In bottom it will come like this brown color. It's little burnt, but that's okay, no problem. Okay guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. So if you've seen this video will helpful to you, so share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this simple and easy recipe. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye. So how it is, leave comment below.